Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Vscode open and the file active. Make sure the cursor sits where the emoji should go. On Windows, press Windows key plus period. On Mac, press Control Command space to open the picker. Once the picker appears, type a keyword like smile or fire to filter. Select an emoji and it inserts directly into your text. This is quick because the editor treats emoji as standard Unicode characters. Make sure your font supports the glyph to see it correctly. You can speed up frequent emoji usage by installing a lightweight emoji extension, which provides auto-completion and shortcodes inside comments and strings. Once installed, open Command Palette and enable the extension suggestion so "smile" shows up as you type. Alternatively, create a user snippet file mapping shortcodes to emoji so typing rocket plus tab expands to rocket. This reduces context switching. Make sure snippet scope includes the languages you edit so expansion works where you expect. Finish by ensuring your file uses UTF-8 encoding. This prevents replacement characters and makes emoji portable. If you see empty boxes, change your editor or system font to a color emoji font such as Sego UI emoji or Noto color emoji, then restart Vscode. If insertion fails, disable conflicting extensions and re-enable the emoji picker. Once done, test in a new file to confirm. That single checkbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.